attendance list. Putri. Putri Andini. Absent. No answer ya. Tidak ada jawabannya. Baik. Uni Handayani.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is
Yes,
Uni?
ma'am. I'm here,
Please
ma'am.
raise your hand. There are about 7. Yeah, you raise your hand.
Here.
You understand me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Very, very good, Uni. Thank you, Uni. Yeah.
Yes.
Rahmati. I call her Emma. Yeah. So it's very far from Rahmati. Arif Purnama.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you very much,
Yeah, I love
Arif.
you, ma'am.
Liga.
Yes,
Liga
ma'am.
Fatimusha.
Present, ma'am.
Yes, thank you very much with the glasses dengan kacamata
Thank
ya
you,
Liga.
Professor.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So who is absent today?
Yes, no. Ada
So-
presentasi hari ini yang jadi tidak hadir.
All right, doesn't matter. But can you follow the class?
Yes, of course.
So,
Yeah.
where exactly are you?
In my office in
All
Ampera.
right, very good. Where? Ampera. All right, Tuhu. Thank you
Okay.
very much, Tuhu. Nice to see you. Yes.
Okay. Good to see you too.
Is Putri.
Yes, ma'am. Here.
Putri is here.
Yes,
Where is
ma'am.
Putri?
Yes.
Oh, thank you very much, Putri.
Yes, ma'am.
Sofiatul Irma.
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Where is Sofiatul?
Present, ma'am. Yes.
Oh, yes. Very good. Thank you. Twinnie Zulia. Thank you, Twinnie. Nurlina is away, yeah? Is she on tour, religious tour? Yeah. Wait. Next, Hasanah. Good morning, Hasanah.
Morning.
Hasanah. Please raise your hand. Can you understand me? Raise your hand.
Yeah.
Yes, very good. Yes, that's fine. Thank you. Marianti. Mary, where are you, Marianti?
I am here, Aya.
Where is here? Where is your hand?
Wait a minute. Wait. Wait.
What? Hospital?
Yes, I can follow. I can follow.
Why are you in the hospital?
I having a high fever.
But you can follow the classes.
Yes, of course.
Not of course. Yeah. All right. Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
To the laptop, yeah. It can reach everywhere. Yeah. Rahayu, Erlina.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Rahayu. Thank you, Rahayu.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Atifatur.
Hello, Eyang. I'm here.
Yeah, and the right. Thank you, Atifatur. And then comes Fitri.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is your hand? Mana tangannya? Where are you? I cannot. There are
I'm
10,
sorry,
12
ma'am.
persons.
I'm not
Huh?
feeling well today.
You are not. Oh,
So
where are you?
I'm
You are not
here. I'm here.
Yes, here is where? Are you at home? Are you at the hospital?
Well for today, so I cannot open my camera. So sorry, ma'am.
Yeah, all right. So that is Fitri, yeah. But you can follow your classes, ya.
Yes,
Bisa
I follow the
mengikuti
class.
kuliah enggak?
Yeah, I follow the class, ma'am.
Very good, thank you. That's very important. Zahro.
Present,
Zahro.
ma'am. I'm
Yes,
here.
thank you. Yes, Zahro.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't care where you are, as long as you are safe and can attend your class. Yeah, that's the so. Esther,
Yes, ma'am.
Esther, thank you. Haris, Haris. Haris. Astrid.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, thank you, Astrid.
You're welcome.
So, 2 persons are, yeah. Now, who is going to be the moderator?
I will be
Moderator.
the moderator for today presentation, ma'am.
Who is that?
Liga Valiansyah, ma'am.
Where is she?
I'm here, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Liga. Liga, ya.
Ya.
Cuman kok hilang? And the presenters,
My friend is
What?
Miss Twini Zulia. Miss Twini
Siapa?
Zulia and Miss
Twini.
Zahra Salsabila. Iya.
Twini, ya. Twini, ya. Number 2, second.
Zahra Salsabila.
Zahro.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there more or only 2?
No,
Presenters.
just 3 of us, ma'am.
All right. Very good.
Okay. Thank
You can
ma'am.
begin, Liga. So we're going to discuss.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
You don't say
Assalamualaikum
okay.
warahmatullahi
Yeah, listen.
wabarakatuh.
Yeah, all right, yeah. This is an English class, and you must talk good English. When you use okay is not good. Yeah, so you must say yes. Do you know what it means? Okay, okay itu dari singkatan apa? Ayo, siapa harus tahu ya, kalau bisa bicara oke, Anda harus tahu artinya dong. Anda calon S2, your candidates, S2 candidates, you must know what you're talking about. You see? You don't know. And it is not seperti Anda harus bicara bahasa baku di Indonesia, baku umum. Oke, itu tidak baku. So, from now on, I will pay attention to your pronunciation. Dari bukan from now on, sudah
Yes,
sejak
ma'am.
awal. Itu pronunciation. The first tool you use is your voice, not your eyes or your hands. The first time you talk to a foreigner, you use his language. Please remember that. Yeah. So,
I will, ma'am.
siapa tadi? For
Lig
yes, Liga. Where is she? Yeah. You can begin, Liga. Yeah.
Sure, thank you, ma'am. Assalamualaikum
Thank
warahmatullahi
you.
wabarakatuh. Good
Waalaikumsalam
morning,
Waalaikumsalam.
everyone. Good morning, Professor. So today we are from group. My partner is Miss Twini Zulia Pridayana and Miss Zahra Sabila. We are honored to present our presentation entitled Transitivity and Process. Next slide, Miss.
I'm sorry.
The first one is introduction. Language is a meaning grammar. And according to Halliday, 1994, Systemic Functional Linguistics, or SFL, language is as a social semiotic system. So there are three metafunctions. The first one is ideational. It is, and the second is
Experience.
experience. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Experience. The second is interpersonal, enacting social relations. And the third is textual. It is organizing message. Today
Messages.
messages.
Yeah.
Messages.
You pronounce all the sounds, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
The third is textual. It is organizing messages. Today focus
Messages. Yes, stress
messages.
on mess. Yes.
Messages.
Yes.
Our today focus is ideational metafunction. We are going to break down transitivity system today. Next slide, Miss. What
Yes.
is transitivity? It goes beyond transitive or intransitive verbs. For example, describes how language represents actions, events, and experiences. For
Listen. Events, bukan even. Events, peristiwa, kejadian. Events. Yes, the stress on
event.
events.
Yes, ma'am. Event. Events and experiences. For example, the first one is the word choice changes meaning. The first sentence is she walked to school, and the second sentence is she rushed to school. Both follow
Where do I
the
read that?
same
Saya
meaning.
ikut baca di mana?
You
I should
only
follow
read
the
on.
PowerPoint, ma'am. Okay. Yes, ma'am. And the third is each clause. For example, what happens, and the participants, who is the actor, who or what involved, and then the last is the circumstances, when, where, how, and why. Next slide, miss. So there are process types according to the 6 main process types in transitivity. There are material,
Material.
material,
Matir.
material.
Yes.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. material, doing or action. The second is mental, sensing, feeling, or is relational, being or
Relation.
having.
Relation.
Relation. Yes, thank you, ma'am. The fourth is behavioral. For example, behaving or psychological or
Physiologic.
physio-
Physiological.
physiological. Five is verbal
Enggak,
or
no. No, yeah, the second,
saying.
psychological, lupa. Psychological. Please pronounce, it's a difficult word. Psycho, you don't pronounce the P. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
You don't pronounce the
Physiological and
P.
psychological.
Very good.
Psychology. The
Very
five
good.
is
Yes.
verbal and saying. The six is
Verbal. Kan kata kerja tuh
existent
verb.
and
Jadi verbal. Repeat. Verbal.
Verbal.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Verbal and saying. The six is existing.
Very good.
The next point will be presented by my partner,
Zahro. I will present the material process.
Thank you, ma'am.
Material.
Material process.
Yes.
Alright. Meaning actions or events.
Events.
Actions or events in the physical world. Participants, actor, and goal. Example, the teacher explained the lesson. The lesson. Actor, the teacher. And process, explain. Goal.
Very good.
Mental process.
Mental.
Process.
Enggak ada A.
Mental.
Yes.
Mental process. Meaning inner experiences. Inner experiences. Perception. Cognition. Emotions.
Yes.
Perception, cognition, emotions.
Very good.
Participants, sensor, phenomenon.
Very good.
Example, she believes the story. Next, relational process. Meaning, stage of being.
Very good.
Participants, carrier, attribute or token, and value. Example, the sky is blue. Behavioral process, meaning physiological or psychological behavior. Participant behavior. Example, he laughed loudly.
Ow.
He laughed loudly.
Yes.
And the next, verbal.
Verbal. Not bal, bukan bal. You do
verbal process. Meaning acts of communication, participants, sayer, verbiage, receiver, And for example, the student said the answer.
Said.
Answer. Answer.
Bukan. To say. Said. Tidak ada. Tidak. It does not exist. Said.
Said. All right. The
Yes.
student said the
Dan
answer.
nggak ada i-nya. Said.
Said.
Yes.
The student said the answer.
Yeah, all right.
All right. The next will be presented by Miss Twinnie.
Yes, thank you, Miss Daro.
Dong, will be
All right.
best.
Yeah.
Will be presented by Miss Twinnie. It's
So
time
you-
for yours.
Anda itu kok bisa bahasa Inggrisnya itu juga kurang bagus. To
I'm
be,
sorry, my mistake.
that's not your mistake. All of you are like that. Most of you. Padahal the calon S2 nggak bisa begini. That's why I keep on pronunciation. Yeah, because you're going to promote to S2 and people expect you to speak good, speak well. So you must practice. Kalau tidak ya memalukan. Lulusan S2 harus banyak latihan. Anda tiap malam lah. Saya tidak percaya Anda lakukan permintaan saya. Setiap malam nonton televisi 10 menit saja sih yang berbahasa Inggris bagus. Ya, hanya 10 menit tapi tiap malam supaya terbiasa. Tidak boleh dong gitu kan akan nanti memalukan Indra Prasta. Kok ucapannya begitu? Ucapan sehari-hari ya. Please pay attention. Thank you very much for the attention. Please go on. Who is going to speak next?
Okay, I will start my presentation.
Very good. Thank you.
Existential process. Existential process meaning expression of existence or occurrence. Participant. I'm sorry. They usually begin with the word
Existence-nya nggak dibaca, kenapa? Participant, existent.
They usually begin with the word there, followed by form of the verb to be, such as is, are, was,
Yeah,
or were.
you must repeat the sentence. Where is the sentence? Where is the text? I don't see the text.
Okay, yeah. The example, there is a
All right.
next slide, Miss. Please,
Finish.
next slide, Miss Zahro. Yeah. Participant and circumstances. In this slide, we have a sum. The key participant for each and example sentences. Process types, the material, the
Material.
material, participant, actor, goal. The example, the cat chased the mouse.
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 Yeah.
Process types, mental. Participants censor phenomenon. Example, she likes chocolate. Process type to relational.
Proses ya, proses type.
Process types. Participant, carrier, attribute. Carrier, and attribute. Example, the room is large. And then process type behavioral. Participants, behavior.
Behavior. Bukan e. Behavior. Yes.
Behavior.
Yes.
Example, he smiled. Process types, verbal.
Kata-katanya kan verb, kata kerja, verb. Jadi ucapannya tetap verbal.
Oke, yang verbal. Participant, sayer, and verbiage. Example, the teacher told a story. Process type existential. Existential.
Yes.
Participant, existence.
Existence.
The example, there is a book.
Ya. Analysis. The stress, tekanannya pada ne. Analysis.
Example, analysis.
No. The whole class. Please repeat.
Example, analysis.
You repeat after me.
Okay,
My pronunciation. Analysis.
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 No lies. Tidak ada lies. Tidak ada bohong-bohong.
Okay.
Dia tekanan pada ne.
Analysis.
Once again, once more, the whole class.
Example, analysis.
Semua.
Analysis.
Analysis.
Example, analysis.
Kenapa lah itu ya tuh diucapkannya seperti ses.
Analysis.
Ya memang kalau sendiri dia to analyze. Itu Anda itu memang Inggris itu harus ucapannya benar. Ini sih masih mending kalau dibandingkan dengan bahasa Prancis. Ya. Analysis, sekali lagi, the whole class.
Example, analysis.
Harus ya, lainnya tuh kedengaran.
Analysis. Analysis.
Ya, Anda keras kepala ya, nggak mau lihat ya sudah. Go on.
Example, analysis.
Yeah. All right.
Sometimes the government announced new policies yesterday. The process announced the government.
Say dari kata say kenapa jadi saya? Hah? Berkata tuh. Go on.
The government.
Sayer. Anda kok berkata tuh. Ya, begitu sayer kenapa pakai say? Anda ya. Enggak lah. Say, ini bahasa Inggris ya, tolong. Sayer.
Sayer.
Yes,
Sayer.
yes, yes. Very good.
Sayer is government. The government.
Yeah.
Verbiage are new policies. And circumstance are yesterday.
Anda bisa kalau itu yang lainnya. Circumstance is not an easy word. All right.
Okay.
Conclusion.
Conclusion. Howiday's transitivity system are tools for analyzing how meaning is constructed in language. Reveal how language choice reflects worldwide and ideology. Teachers and students to understand meaning making in grammar.
All right. Conclusion.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for
Listening. Yeah, thank you for speaking, for reading. Is it?
thank you.
Is it?
And
Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah, please, please. Your pronunciation. Yeah,
yeah,
is that the
thank you,
finish?
for
Yes.
your
That was Sahro, yeah. Yeah,
Mm.
Sahro. Thank you, Sahro. Sahro. You started. You did your best, but you must practice more. Yeah, Sahro.
All right, my pleasure, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah.
thank you, ma'am.
You're most welcome. Yeah. Can we go back to the beginning? Is it possible to? Is all of the presenters have finished reading yet? Sudah selesai. Bagus. Now we're going to practice. Dan kita akan berlatih apa ya. Tolong kita kembali ke awal. Can you do that?
Okay,
Can
all right, ma'am. All right, wait a minute.
Ya. Pelan-pelan saja, but correctly. Thank you.
All right, ma'am. This is the presentation from the beginning.
From the beginning, ya. Nanti kita satu persatu. I'm going to ask questions. So this is beginning material process. Ya, everybody pays attention. Bukan orang yang hanya membaca presenter saja. Everybody. I need all the faces here on the screen. Banyak yang harus dapat karena there are altogether one is absent, 18 students ya, semuanya harus dapat giliran. Duduk saja.
Perlu dilebarin lagi tidak?
Oh, ya perlu. Sebesar mungkin. Ya cukuplah yang tadi. Yang tadi. Sebelum ini tadi ada yang lebih. Nah, ini bisa.
Miss Zahro, please full
Ya,
screen.
tolong di fullin dong.
Nah, ini bagus ini. Ya.
Thank you.
Material process. Example. Ya. Kamu bisa yang harus ikut baca atau dari pinggir bahasa bisa. Di sedikit gitu. Yun. Material process. Yeah. Sometimes I will talk bahasa to make it clearer to you. Yeah. Material process. Proses yang bermateri, ya. Itu semuanya gampang, ya. Events in the physical world, ya. Peristiwa-peristiwa di dalam dunia nyata. The participants disebut disebut aktor atau role, ya. These are all very simple words you understand. Yeah. Example, this is example. The teacher explained the lesson. This is an expression, ini adalah ucapan atau pernyataan dari action atau events in the physical world. Contohnya, the teacher explained the lesson. Nah, terus it is explained, dijelaskan satu persatu. The actor yaitu teacher, ya, it's clear. The processnya is what? Explain. And the goal. Nah, I want you to build your own sentence using, for example, the example. Yeah, the teacher explained the lesson. Yeah. The whole class will try to like this. Yeah. The teacher explained the lesson. This is very, very simple. Yeah. Ada action, ada events. Yeah. Now, write for yourself. I will call one of you later to a sentence similar, sama, ya, seperti example ini. But you must use the other words, tentu kata-katanya beda, ya. Itu yang namanya personally, secara nyata saya, but the lessons are, class, this is the problem. The second part of the semester, will become more complicated. In the first part, is easy enough. The second part, some words are very puzzling. And also, there are new words, more complicated. Katanya, ya, di dalam bagian kedua ini, kata-katanya is complicated, lebih sukar. Kenapa lebih sukar? Karena kalau Anda perhatikan nanti in following lessons, ada kata-kata yang kita tidak mengerti, ya, new words. Dan we don't see the new word dan arti kata yang kita biasa mengerti. So I warn you, ya, saya memperingati kalian, the second part of the semester is much more complicated, and there are words, Nanti aja lihat saja. There are words. Oh, yeah. With the word, with the meaning, there are maybe you have met those words, yeah, or not yet. Maybe. In sekarang kata-katanya masih is still very simple. You can understand, but later, yeah, but I don't want. These words you see in front of you are very easy words you can understand. But sometimes when there is like the contact, this is the first example. The example, the teacher explained the lesson. That's very simple, very simple. Yeah. But later, you must terms istilah yang baru Anda lihat. Padahal artinya Anda minggu-minggu yang akan datang will be very difficult. Yeah. Nah, who wants to try? All right, I'll give you an example, a sentence, yeah. And one of you must try to.
Maybe I'm the first want to make a sentence.
In this sentence, the teacher explained the lesson. What is the action? What is the action? Look at this simple sentence of 5 words. What is the action there?
Explain.
Yes, very easy. This is beginning very easy. And what is the actor?
The teacher.
Yeah, everybody pasti lihat ya. Yeah. Tapi sekarang I ask you sense with the similar rules, yeah, and I will point out one of you. Now, Anda sudah mengerti, ya? Now begin the whole class, and nanti saya akan pilih salah satu, ya. The whole class build a similar sentence. Now, that's a very simple short sentence, yeah. Now I'm going to ask Astrid. Please read your sentence, dear.
Meaning, actions or events in the physical world. Participants, actor, goal. Example, the teacher explained the lesson.
Yeah, listen, Astrid. Astrid, listen. The whole class listen carefully. I only told you to write a sentence, not to read the whole context. Write a sentence with the example in front of you. Example, contohnya, the teacher explained the lesson. Anda sekarang bikin kalimat bahasa Inggris. Ada actionnya, ada aktornya, ada goalnya. Mengerti nggak
Sorry,
sih?
ma'am. Iya, sorry,
Mengerti.
Hanya
ma'am.
satu,
Kurang
hanya
terdengar
satu
tadi, ma'am.
hanya satu kalimat. Seperti ini.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm waiting. Five words. Lama amat ya, 5 kata. You see, that is not simple. Come on, Astri, I'm waiting. The whole class is waiting.
Yes, ma'am, sorry. The students cleaned.
It's all right. Something like that.
Thank you, ma'am. The actors, the students process
Yeah,
clean.
sudah. That is very good. Titik, sudah. Your turn is over.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
I'm going to ask Putri now. Putri, yeah, please bear a sentence.
Yes, ma'am.
Sama saja, like the example here in front of you. Can you do that, Putri? Putri Andini.
Ma'am, sorry, make a new sentence.
Putri Andini is
Oh.
not here, ma'am, I think.
All right. Haris. Be concentrated. My task to
Suaranya
akan
putus-putus.
bicara bahasa yang sangat cepat.
Bu Emma, sinyalnya kurang bagus.
Iya, suaranya nggak terdengar jelas.
The back signal.
Nah, Zahir explain I want to build a similar sentence. Ya, Anda kalimat Anda sendiri juga. Come on, I give you 5 minutes.
Maaf, yang suaranya putus-putus ya. Yang suaranya putus-putus. Nggak terdengar jelas.
You understand my
Ter- Bu Emma,
Haris,
suaranya
Iya.
tidak terdengar, Bu. Suaranya tidak terdengar jelas, putus-putus.
you
Maaf ya, koneksinya.
Susah.
Halo, suaranya kedengeran
Jelas
nggak?
sekarang Bu. Bu
Sudah,
Emma
Miss.
sekarang jelas. Tadi putus-putus yang
Oke. Iya, patah ini koneksinya.
kenapa?
Halo.
Putus-putus, Miss. Putus-putus suaranya.
Iya, iya, koneksinya jelek ini. Jadi, maaf ya, putus.
Jelas
Ya.
suaranya putus-putus Bu Emma.
Sinyalnya jelek. Kita keluarin.
Nah. Nah.
Keluar ya?
Jadi energi marah itu mempengaruhi yang lain. Sinyalnya jadi langsung jelek.
Bener, bener, bener.
Oh, iya,
Giliran
nggak
ngasih
usah
pertanyaan
marah-marah.
langsung
Dari yang
putus-putus
sederhana
suaranya.
kok. Iya. Kasih yang sederhana bisa kok kita.
Halo.
Ya, Miss Emma,
Masuk nggak?
Ya, sehat,
suaranya
sehat.
agak-agak
Udah
gini
masuk.
ya.
Iya, sinyalnya jelek nih. Maaf ya.
Nggak bisa,
Putus-putus
Miss
juga.
Emma nggak bisa, masih nggak jelas.
Masih putus-putus.
Catering.
Kabur lagi. Nih masuk nih Bu Emma nih.
Halo.
Pak Aris coba dibaca di chat Pak Aris.
Ya, Pak.
Diulangi aja kamu. Saya tunggu
Nah,
jawaban
sudah
ini
mendengar.
kalimat
Sudah mendengar. jelas.
Paris.
Oke. Pak Haris, boleh dibaca contoh kalimatnya?
Okay, the sentence is, we pour the hot water into a glass.
Sekali lagi.
We pour the hot
We.
water into a glass.
Yang untuk ini.
Juga nggak ada. Kalau bisa mah dibaca di sini.
Iya.
Di ketika ya, I type.
Ketik di chat aja Pak Haris.
Oke, I type ya.
Maaf ya.
Sebetulnya kalau ditulis mah nggak usah pakai ini.
Let's see, then dari-
Bu Emma saya tulis ini ya. Pak Aris saya
Boleh
tulis
coba
aja ya.
aja.
Come on,
Ini saya
Haris.
Maaf ya.
Read your sentence, Haris.
Okay, I repeat. I pour the hot water into a glass.
Nah,
No, salah. I is not, yeah. A subject, it is a personal pronoun. Ini kan subjek. Contohnya dari contoh dari tadi itu the actor atau apa. Anda harus ada the, you cannot say the I. You don't understand it. Yang saya nggak ngerti.
That's, I think the sentence.
Ini saya bacanya subjeknya di buku di mana tuh tadi? Ada noun.
Okay, I repeat or I change the sentence.
Nah, di sini.
Okay, it's clear. So, the students read.
Where is the example? The example tadi. The teacher explained the lesson. Ayo, sekarang what is yours?
Okay, the student read the storytelling. The storytelling.
Repeat slowly.
The student read the storytelling.
Ya, sekarang please repeat the sentence. Haris.
Yes, yeah. Okay. The student read the storytelling.
I'm waiting.
The student read the storytelling.
Yes, I had. How can you read a storytelling ya? Storytelling itu cerita. Cerita itu pernah didengar, bukan di-read. Aduh, no, that is the wrong sentence. Wrong, Haris. Yeah.
Okay, the student listened the storytelling.
Yeah. The student what?
Listened.
Yeah, all right.
Okay.
Why do you choose kata-kata kalimat yang begitu susah? Bapaknya the driver ya pamannya the driver ya drove a white car. The student wrote a story. The student wrote a composition. Aduh, ini calon S2. Baik ya, now I'm going to ask for the volunteer. Saya tidak akan tunjuk, Anda menunjuk what you want to say. You write, you say your name, ya.
Sayang.
Siapa saja. Tuhu, ya silakan Tuhu. You're welcome Tuhu.
The mechanic repair the broken car.
Very good, excellent. Nah, begitulah. Next, siapa?
Zahro, ma'am.
Ya, alright, Zahro.
My mother cooked the breakfast.
Yeah, very good. Yeah, cook the breakfast, prepare the breakfast. Now, ya, itu sudah Anda mengerti. Now is the mental prosesnya yang lain. Tolong lihat di teksnya.
This is, ma'am. This is the
Iya.
mental.
Lain. Ya, sekarang lain ya. Ya, ya, alright. Mental process ya. Nih, sampelnya, she believes the story. Nah, Anda tolong bikin yang similar. Ya.
Liga, ma'am. Liga mau coba.
Boleh, silakan. She believes the story, bikin kalimat lain.
Yes, ma'am. The sentence is she likes chocolate.
Ya boleh, bagus.
Thank
She
you,
likes
ma'am.
chocolate.
Saya,
Siapa?
ma'am.
Silakan.
Yeah. He is worried about the exam.
She is worried karena
About
dia
the
ya,
exam.
dia apa? The exam.
The exam. Yes.
Apa exam itu ujian?
Yeah.
Nggak ngerti karena ucapannya salah.
Oh yeah. Sorry, ma'am.
Tes. Nah, ya saya kecewa. Anda mahasiswa bergumul dengan kata-kata itu kan salah lagi. Ya mengapa tidak tes? Sama saja. Ya,
Oh, ya.
jadi jadi ini kalimatnya ya kalau mental proses.
Okay,
Ya.
ma'am.
Jangan bicara dulu. Saya kalau bicara kamu diam. Ya, lihat example-nya. Example-nya she believes the story. Nah, what was your repeat your sentence tadi.
He is worried about the test.
Ya, baik. Pikiran ya, emotion, perception, bukan suatu action. Ya, worry ya dengan otak. Very good.
Okay, thank
Siapa?
you.
Yeah, thank you. That was very good. Thank you. Who else will try?
Putri,
Come on.
ma'am.
Silakan, please.
I
Putri.
agree with you.
Agree itu suatu perception, ya, emotion. Agree, cocok. Ya, very good. Very good. Putri, next. Siapa yang mau lagi?
Asana, ma'am.
Please say your sentence.
I love reading books.
Enggak. Ya, boleh lah. I love it. Please repeat.
I love reading books.
Enggak bisa. Yang jelas ya. Semua bunyinya harus diucapkan jelas. Coba diulangi.
I love reading books.
Ada S-nya enggak sih? Ada S-nya enggak, kedengaran S-nya?
Ada.
Books.
Yes.
Iya. Kalau begitu betul. Saya tadinya S-nya enggak kedengaran. Kalau reading books itu salah. Harusnya reading a book. Makanya harus jelas itu akhir, bunyi-bunyi akhir. Reading books. Jangan sekarang saja ya, Mam. Terus forever. Ya, you are still learning. Anda masih mental proses sudah mental ya.
It is, ma'am. You can
Yes.
see the relational
Yeah.
process.
Yeah, look at the example, yeah, which is very easy. The sky is blue. Yeah, states of being, a possession or identity, carrier, attribute, token, value. Yeah, it's not easy. Relational process itu apa sih? Ya. Silakan, siapa tadi? Sarwi. Anda tahu nggak? Nah, ini carrier, attribute, token, value. Do you understand? Yeah, I'm a bit worried ya. I'm a bit puzzled. Bagaimana kaitannya dengan the sky is blue? Nah, ini sekarang kita meningkat pada tahap-tahap pelajaran bahasa Inggris yang tidak konvensional seperti dulu. Ya, Anda itu stage of being-nya mana? Possession-nya mana? Anda harus cari keterangan penjelasan sendiri. I cannot explain that to you. Nah, can you repeat your sentence tadi? Siapa? Zahro, can you explain your sentence?
I'm here.
Yeah, Zahro.
The example, my car is black. It's... Oh, no. I will change. My cat is fluffy.
Your cat is what?
Fluffy. Fluffy.
Yeah,
Fluffy.
all right. Yeah, I understand.
It is identity.
Iya. Nah, kalau Anda analyze ya satu persatu. My cat is fluffy. Lah, Anda kaitkan dengan participants-nya. Anda kan ada lihat participants, carrier, attribute, token, value. Nah, my cat-nya itu namanya apa kalau lihat participants?
My cat-nya
nggak apa, don't worry.
Zahro, ma'am.
Zahro.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't worry. Nanti saya dan kelas itu akan menjawab pertanyaan Anda. Ya.
Right, ma'am.
Yes, all right. Can you repeat that? My cat is what?
My cat is fluffy. My carrier and fluffy is value. Is it right?
Thank you very much. Now I'm going to ask the class for their opinion. Does the class agree with Zahra?
Yes, I agree with her.
Yes, ma'am.
So the cat is the carrier.
Yes.
I agree too.
Is value.
Is fluffy.
Ya, di dalam peraturannya, cat-nya kan carrier.
Yes,
ya?
ma'am. Yes,
Nah,
ma'am.
is fluffy.
You.
Kok tanya saya nggak tanya Mbak Laki, saya tanya Zahro kok. Iya. Kan Zahro yang lagi jangan begitu dong. We losing time, you know. You make mistakes itu. So we have only more 15 minutes. Alright. Siapa yang mau? Siapa yang mau mencoba?
Nabrak suara
Siapa yang mau? The last.
Terakhir ada yang
Ya, masih tetap ini. Masih tetap ini.
Miss Uni mungkin bisa buat contohnya.
Please, who will try the next one? Who? Yang kan sudah dapat giliran tuh ya. Yang enggak dong, ini kan
yang belum.
Gitu tuh masih banyak yang
Tadi sudah.
Ya.
Hasanah lah.
Oke,
Ya,
thank you
saya
ya.
sebut ya. Hasanah,
Hasanah
buat
udah.
kalimat lagi yang terakhir dari relational prosesnya Hasanah sayang. Come on.
Sure.
Karirnya apa?
Karirnya doctor.
Terus is-nya apa?
Wait. Karirnya si.
Ya, karirnya apa? He apa she apa sih?
She.
Ya baik ya. It should be a noun ya. She. Ya. She is a personal pronoun itu. Tapi nggak apa karena participants career. Ya. Dokternya apa?
Is attribute.
Ya baik, cocok. Ya kan?
Oke, thank you, Mom.
Thank you. Singkat-singkat saja di sini hanya ada 4 kata. Now for the last time, we'll try the next relational process.
Ma'am.
Enggak, the next is yang baru.
This is ma'am.
Behavior. Anda baca, do you read that? Behavioral process. Nah, sifat-sifatnya itu. Ya, meaning psychological or physiological ya. I explain. Physiological or psychological behavior. Physiology itu artinya sifat, adat, tabiat. Salah. Wait. Physiological and kalau physiological itu bertalian dengan badan, fisik, ya, tubuh. Sedangkan psychological bertalian dengan adat, sifat. Ngerti nggak? Psikologi dan behavior, adat ya. Dua sifat manusia. Partisipantnya ya orang, behavior, orang yang memiliki itu. Siapa yang mau, nah contohnya, he laughed loudly. Ya. He-nya yaitu orang, fisiologi manusia. He. Laugh-nya itu loudly, psychological. Dia kayaknya orang he is very merryful, merry bersenang-senang, happy juga boleh. Mengerti?
Yes, ma'am.
Physiological or psychological, sifatnya behavioral process. Ya, proses-proses to behave bertabiat ya, proses bertabiat, behavior proses. Sebetulnya tidak susah ya. Behave itu how you behave, bagaimana berperilaku orang. Siapa yang mau? Who wants to try? This is the last item for today. Ya.
Putri, ma'am.
Esther, silakan Esther.
Okay, thank you. The baby cried last night.
Please Repeat slowly. Yeah.
The baby cried last night.
Yeah, that is correct.
Okay, thank you, Ma'am.
The baby itu bentuknya bentuk badannya ya masih anak, masih baby, masih bayi, bagus. Itu fisiologi. Cried itu laugh itu dia mungkin pengen lapar, pengen susu ya atau ya sedang sedih atau apa. Bagus. Itu sesuatu sifat-sifat karakter ya, tapi masih baby ya, kita belum tahu ya. Tapi dia sedih atau ya sedih atau lapar. Baik, masih ada waktu. Ya, satu lagi lah. Satu student. One more student.
Fitri, ma'am.
Anyone? Yes?
Fitri.
Fitri, silakan.
Slowly.
John?
Walk slowly.
Ini tuh present tense atau past tense?
ED, walk ED.
Walk.
Walk.
Ya diucapkan jelas. Walk.
Okay.
Karena ada
John?
ininya.
Yes.
Itu diucapkannya T karena ada K ya.
Okay.
Ya itu. Saya tidak senang. Alright. Repeat. Repeat the sentence.
John walked slowly.
Ya baik. Tapi walk-nya masih tetap kurang bagus. Ucap. You repeat just the verb. Walk-nya. Seperti saya tadi.
Walked.
Itu bunyi akhirnya K. Dan ini past tense Anda. Bagaimana ucapan? Nah itu yang gituan itu penting. Orang nggak tahu udah lewat atau belum. Ucapkan walk-nya yang benar seperti saya ajarkan.
Okay. Walked.
The whole class repeat after me.
John.
The whole class. Do you understand the English?
John.
Yes, ma'am. John.
John.
Walked.
Walked.
Enggak. Masih belum kedengaran id-nya. Enggak tahu ini past tense atau apa sih? Walked. Walked. Lalu the last word is what?
Slowly.
Slowly. Kalau slowly gampang aja. Ya. Baik. I'm not happy about your pronunciation. Not yang paling gampang itu past tense itu yang Anda nggak bisa ucap. Yeah, it is almost time. Sorry. So please prepare yourself for the next chapter, yeah, next week. Any questions, class? Did you enjoy? Did you enjoy this lesson, this session?
Yes, Jainel.
Has it been useful to you?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Do you think this is you must say honestly, yeah? Honestly answer my question. Have you understood this chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I have understood.
To be honest, For me, this chapter is not easy. I had to read it twice. Padahal, on the other hand, very, very simple when you look at the examples ya. Kalau lihat contoh-contohnya seperti tadi ya, kalau Anda lihat di halaman Anda ya, the student read the storytelling part ya, atau tadi walaupun salah ya, ini Pak harus ubah kalimatnya. Enggak, contoh-contohnya saja ya, umpamanya contoh-contohnya saja di dalam peraturan-peraturan, coba baca satu, kasih contoh satu, kasih contoh satu peraturan, beginning of a lesson tadi yang terakhir aja.
Alright, wait a minute.
Contoh lagi, satu contoh mana saja dengan rules-nya, behavioral process ya. Ya itu kan kalau kita baca, ini kan kata-kata yang sederhana dan dinyatakan dengan jelas ya. Behavior proses perilaku. Ini artinya, meaningnya physiological, yaitu badaniah, ya. Physiological, kan fisik itu badan ya. Atau psychological, atau tabiat ya, atau sifat, karakter. Fisiologi itu kan gampang-gampang aja. Participant orangnya yaitu behavior, ya orang yang berkarakter itu, yang mempunyai sifat tertentu. Jadi harus orang, ya jangan anjing umpamanya. Contoh, nah ini. Ya, he itu physical ya, orang, badan, fisiologi. Laugh loudly, ya dia barangkali sifatnya orang yang senang ketawa, is always happy. Nah itu gampang-gampang saja. Tetapi Anda tadi ya. Jadi bahan yang kita sedang hadapi atau akhir-akhir ini, apalagi nanti beberapa minggu lagi akan lebih susah lagi karena banyak istilah-istilah yang baru. Kalau ini istilah-istilah yang kita baca di depan itu cukup mudah-mudah saja ya. Nah, pendidikan bahasa Inggris sekarang yang pakai cara-cara yang baru ini yang sedang kita baca. Ya, kalau dulu-dulu nggak begitu. Padahal bahannya sama. Lihat aja contohnya gampang aja. He laughed loudly. Tapi dinyatakannya dengan istilah-istilah yang teknologi. Jadi Anda harus betul-betul serius menghadapi kuliah-kuliah yang akan datang sampai ujian akhir semester. Persiapkan Anda menghadapi bahan yang jauh lebih jelimet. Padahal ya kalau biasa-biasa aja. Gampang. Lihat saja contohnya, he laughed loudly. Ya, sampai sekarang masih nggak apa-apa lah. Tapi minggu-minggu depan Anda harus betul-betul ya peras keringat. I'm just warning you, class. Don't worry. I'm looking forward to next week, class. Yeah, stay healthy. Siapa tadi yang sakit ya? Ya, I hope
Aku
you get.
yang
Yeah, there are two who are feeling not well. I
ya.
hope you get that better. Don't get serious. And I wish you the rest of Sunday. Enjoy yourself. Goodbye, class.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Eyang.
Take care, class. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye, ma'am. Jangan ketawa, Miss.